In this video, let's talk about statistical study stages, drawing conclusions. So, in drawing, usually we draw conclusions after we process our data, organize it, look at it, and then we decide whether our study has statistical significance or practical significance. So we're going to say that our study has statistical significance when the result that we got is very unlikely. So if we have, typically if we have less than a 5% chance of the event to occur, and we got this result, nonetheless, that constitutes as statistical significance. Practical significance is the difference is large enough to be meaningful in real life. And this is very subjective. Let's take a look at a couple of examples and see how you would answer. In a study of weight loss program, 31 subjects lost on average of 2 pounds after 9 months. Methods of statistics can be used to show that it is unlikely to get this result by chance if the diet had no effect. So the question is, does the weight loss program have statistical significance? And as we read, these results are very unlikely if the diet had no effect. So that means that the study had statistical significance. Now, does this program have practical significance? So the question is, would you pay a lot of money and also like follow the diet for 9 months to achieve a result of losing 2 pounds? Would it be practical? And I think not. So the study does not have a practical significance. Another example, a ProCare Industries once supplied a product named Gender Choice that supposedly increased the chance of a couple having a baby with the gender that they desired. Let's suppose that the product was tested with 10,000 couples who wanted to have baby girls, and the result consists of 5,200 baby girls born and 10,000 births. So the likelihood of it happening due to chance is 0.003%. Question, does this result have statistical significance? Well, based on the fact that the likelihood of this result is only 0.003%, the answer is yes. It's a rare event. It's very unlikely to happen due to chance. So it does have statistical significance. Now, does it have practical significance? The question is, so we have 5,200 baby girls born in 10,000 births. So it's the increase in baby girls born is not very significant, right? From practical standpoint, because those methods usually they cost a lot of money, but it's only about 10%, 2% difference in the rate of baby girls born. So yeah, 200 out of 10,000 is 2%. But if we compare 52,000 versus 50,000, that's about 4% more. Okay, so still does not have practical significance. Now back on the topic of why ways the statistics can be used to deceive. So there is sometimes evil intent on the part of the dishonest person, and there are also unintentional errors on the part of people who don't know any better. So we should learn to distinguish between statistical conclusions that are likely to be valid and those that are seriously flawed, regardless of the source. And we're going to be talking about um, that in more detail later in this course. Our next video is going to deal with study design.